Hello Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Gemini. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. I am publishing readings for all signs every week. Isa is for guidance or gabay. Yung isa naman is for love and romantic situation. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Gemini. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. For Gemini, please, Gemini. Arrow, you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. Okay. Yeah. Some aspect of your life, it may be sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, okay? Sa work mo. You are doing well in your work. You feel good, okay? You feel good about sa ginagawa ninyo. Okay. Rose, romance is in the air. Okay. Older man, dealings or relationship with an older man. Okay. For some of you, you are connecting or dealing with someone older. Okay. It may be a boss. Yeah. A father. Okay. Yeah. Broom, new home, new attitude. Wheel, indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Okay, indecisiveness. There is something na kailangan mong ayusin, kailangan ng inyong desisyon. Gemini. Bear, danger, especially in money matters. Okay, be aware of that. Kung meron kayong mga challenges about sa finances, about sa mga resources ninyo, okay, please protect your resources, your money, your investments, okay, your savings. Yeah. For some of you, there is transformation. You will acquire new attitude. Okay. May changes sa inyong mga prinsipyo. Okay. The way you see things or i-approach mo yung mga bagay, mga dealings ninyo, there will be change for that. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages or gabay for the Gemini, please, from the tarot. Gemini. 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 Kung meron mang gulo or mga unexpected changes na nangyayari sa inyo, whether in your relationship, in your personal life, okay, merong kaayusan na mangyayari. For some of you, you will do things right this time. Yeah. Changes. Mga pagbabago sa sistema, whether sa relationship mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, meron kayong aayusin, okay? Yeah. Do what is right, Gemini. Do what is fair and just. Yeah. For some of you, merong pag-aayos sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Resolution of a conflict. Okay? There will be new beginning na mangyayari in your situation. Okay? For some, merong career advancement, bagong trabaho, may mga opportunities na panibago sa inyo to start all over again. Okay, merong kaayusan kung magulo ang inyong sitwasyon. It may be sa trabaho mo to or sa love relationship, magkakaroon ng kaayusan. Okay. Yeah. There will be intimacy. Yeah. Yeah. Merong pag-aayos na mangyayari, merong kaayusan, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, if involved kayo sa mga lawsuits, okay? The result will be favorable for you. Gemini. Yeah. Okay. Merong toxicity in the situation na kailangang baguhin or kailangang ayusin. Okay. Unhealthy relationship or unhealthy relationship patterns, may kailangang baguhin, okay? May changes na mangyayari. Yung iba sa inyo, mayroong addiction, in love, or the way you think, hindi healthy, okay? Which is affecting your emotions, your well-being, Gemini. Yeah. Merong someone, okay, Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you or they want to hear from you, okay? Yeah. There is obsession and addiction. Yeah. Yeah, someone is rushing towards you. Okay. Okay. There is unhealthy attachment na kailangan mag-change. Okay. May mga kailangan kayong i-settle or i-work out, Gemini. Yeah. Pagdating sa work, you are very dedicated, busy ka, madami kang ginagawa. Alam mo, ang inyong ginagawa, you are a specialist in what you are doing, okay? You are a hardworking person. Yeah. Important documents, new contracts, okay? May na-close kayo na deal sa work, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, makakatanggap kayo ng big money or incentives, award or reward, okay? This is something that will make you very happy. Yung hard work ninyo will be paid off. Yeah. There is a love of life for you, Gemini. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, there will be new beginnings in love, in your career, okay? Okay? Potential career growth. Okay? Pagdating sa passion, intimacy, okay, there is new beginning. Okay, there is resurgence of love at the same time. That is for some of you, Gemini. Okay. Yung pa sa inyo, meron kayong desisyon na kailangang harapin. May isang sitwasyon na kailangan ninyong harapin. It is something na toxic, okay? You don't know what to do in that situation. Yeah, may kailangan kayong break or i-change. Yung iba sa inyo, you are pretending that nothing is wrong, walang problema, okay? But actually there is. Yeah. You are moving on to something meaningful, Gemini. Yung iba sa inyo, tinatalikuran ang ganyang sitwasyon, ayaw harapin, okay? Kasi merong mas importante kayong gagawin, meron kayong goals, meron kayong achievements, may ambisyon kayo, okay? You're going towards something meaningful para sa'yo. Okay? Someone will be left out in the cold. Someone is waiting for you, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo may fear about sa money, about stability and security, okay? Someone needs your attention and care, Gemini. Yeah. And may kailangan kayong ayusin, okay? 8 of Pentacles. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going for a trip. You're going towards calmer waters, okay? Yeah. A situation suddenly moves. Okay? It may be sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, okay? Fortune is on your side. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pupuntahan or babalikan, Gemini. Okay? Yeah. There will be positive change in your situation. Yeah. Travels or trip. Something positive mangyayari, okay, sa sitwasyon ninyo. Kung merong stagnancy or stagnant sa inyong sitwasyon, sa trabaho man yan, sa mga proyekto mo, okay? Or sa relationship, personal relationship, magkakaroon ng movement or positive changes, okay? This is something that will make you very happy and inspired. So, magkakaroon ng kaayusan kung meron man conflict. Yeah. May kailangan kayong desisyon na gawin, Gemini. Okay? Someone needs your care and attention. Someone is afraid of losing you. Yeah? Or it is the other way around, okay? Just take what resonates for you, Gemini. Maybe it's the other way around. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, limitless yung mga potential when it comes to work. You are ready, okay? You will be traveling. You have a lot of confidence sa sarili ninyo, okay? You are taking the risk, okay? Even though minsan yung isang sitwasyon medyo delikado or it will cause you harm, okay? But then you are moving on, you are moving forward, you are taking the risk. You don't know what will happen along the way, pero buo yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, okay? Yeah. There will be some truth na ma-reveal or merong victory or breakthroughs sa inyong ginagawa, okay? Magkakaroon ng solusyon kung meron man kayong problema about sa work, sa money, or sa isang situation, merong clarity. Yeah. Okay. You're going to work things out in your situation. Okay, meron kayong minamanifest na something, meron kayong aayusin. You have the power to do it. Okay, you have all the capacity, the skills, the ability to do it. You are a decision maker. Kaya mong gawin kung anong gusto mong gawin, Gemini. Yeah, for some of you, merong significant na achievement kang matatanggap or gagawin, okay? Merong travel. Yes. Okay. You know what you want, so kailangan mo maging confident, kailangan meron kang self-discipline and willpower to move forward para ma-reach mo ang iyong mga pangarap or kung ano yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Okay? For some of you, you are traveling towards someone. Yes, meron kayong aayusin. Truth will be delivered. Okay? Magkakaroon ng clarity. Yeah. Tingnan natin kung anong message sa'yo from the Spirit Messages Oracle card. For Gemini, please. Gemini. 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 Be clear about where you are putting your focus right now. Focus on your desired outcome. You have everything within to create the life of your dreams. Stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time. We've got you. Okay, that is for you. Tingnan natin from the angel number card. Ano yung message for Gemini, please? Gemini. Gemini. 444. If you keep seeing the number 444, this is the message for you. Trust your journey, trust the way your life unfolds, and trust that you are where you need to be at the present moment. I am protected. Okay, so you are protected, Gemini. Trust the process, trust your journey, okay? Yeah. Trust that you are where you need to be at the present moment. Okay? Do not doubt yourself. Do not doubt the circumstance. Okay? So, that's it. Yun lang yung mga messages for you, Gemini. Maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!